Can I port my home phone to Ooma? Have you ever felt tied down by your traditional home phone provider? Tired of the high bills and limited features? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into a popular alternative, Ooma. Can you port your home phone to Ooma? Let's find out. Imagine a world where you can make and receive calls from anywhere in the world, enjoy crystal clear voice quality, and even add advanced features like voicemail to email and caller ID. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with Ooma, it's not. But before we dive into the details, let's address the burning question. Can you actually port your home phone number to Ooma? Understanding porting. Porting is the process of transferring your phone number from one carrier to another. It's a convenient way to keep your familiar number while enjoying the benefits of a new service provider. But can you port your home phone number? The short answer is yes, you can. Why choose Ooma? Ooma has gained popularity as a reliable and affordable home phone solution. Here's why you might consider porting your home phone to Ooma. Cost-effective. Ooma offers competitive pricing plans, often saving you money compared to traditional landline providers. Advanced features. Enjoy features like voicemail to email, caller ID, call blocking, and more, all at a fraction of the cost. Flexibility. Ooma works with a variety of internet connections, giving you more flexibility in choosing your service provider. Portability. Take your phone number with you wherever you go, even if you move to a new location. The porting process. Porting your home phone number to Ooma is generally a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Check eligibility. Ensure that your current provider allows porting and that you meet any specific requirements. Choose an Ooma plan. Select the Ooma plan that best suits your needs and budget. Order your Ooma equipment. Ooma will provide you with the necessary hardware to set up your new home phone system. Provide porting information. You'll need to provide your current phone number and account information to Ooma. Wait for porting completion. The porting process typically takes a few days to complete. Tips for a smooth porting experience. Time it right. Consider porting your number during a less busy time to avoid potential delays. Keep your old phone. Maintain your old phone service until the porting is complete to ensure uninterrupted service. Contact your current provider. Inform your current provider of your intention to port your number and request a porting authorization code. Be patient. The porting process can sometimes take longer than expected, so be patient and allow for potential delays. Additional considerations. Existing equipment. If you have existing home phone equipment, like a cordless phone, check if it's compatible with Ooma. Internet connection. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection to support your Ooma service. Emergency calls. Ooma supports emergency calls, but it's important to verify with your local authorities if there are any specific requirements or limitations. So, can you port your home phone to Ooma? Absolutely. Porting your number can be a great way to save money, enjoy advanced features, and gain more flexibility in your home phone service. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily transition to Ooma and start enjoying the benefits of this innovative solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.